उपोषणाच्या 20व्या दिवशी त्यांचं उपोषण मोडीत काढत पोलिसांनी त्यांना रुग्णालयात दाखल केलं आणि यानंतर मोर्चाची हाक सीजेपी कडून देण्यात आली होती। दरम्यानच अभिजित दीपके यांनी उपोषणाला सुरुवात केली होती, मात्र आता वांगचूक यांच्या विनंतीनंतर दीपके यांनी त्यांचं उपोषण मागे घेतलं आहे आणि दुसरीकडे हा मोर्चा विधान भवन परिसरात येऊन धडकलेला आहे। सध्या पावसाळी अधिवेशन सुरू आहे, त्यामुळे खासदार मंत्री हे या संसदेत उपस्थित आहे। संसदेचं कामकाज सुरू आहे आणि त्याच पार्श्वभूमीवर आपली मागणी या सर्व खासदारांसमोर मंत्र्यांसमोर मांडण्यासाठी हा मोर्चा आता संसद भवन परिसरापर्यंत आलेला आहे।
Government should have allowed this protest, because then they would have heard the voices of people and based on that they would have changed. But this is not a progressive government and therefore this government cannot make India Vishwaguru. Huh? I have already said that I don't have faith in any government machinery and therefore I wanted to shift him from there. And this movement is against the government machinery, which has become absolutely corrupt, and it is not in the ये लोगों के हित में नहीं है। The demands remain the same, that education should become the most important issue in the monsoon session of the parliament, and we should come out with concrete steps to make the education system in India the best in the world. And that has to start by the resignation of people who were responsible for it and who did not do a good job of it. Thank you. Of course, we are standing for the nation. I am standing for India. Sonam is standing for India. We are standing for the education system. We are standing for the youth, their future, and we will continue to stand for these issues. Thank you.
सोनम वांगचूक यांच्या पत्नीची ही प्रतिक्रिया आहे। आपल्याला सरकारी रुग्णालय प्रशासनावर भरोसा नाही आणि देशासाठी आपण उभे आहोत असं त्यांनी म्हटलंय।